Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we want to talk about Solana for such a day, 20 of November, and it's looking like an amazing day and a weird day at the same time. Now there's something I want to talk about in the immediate short term, but before that, if you're outside of YouTube, you can go to YouTube, type in them coins right there, and please like this video as you watch the video as well. Now yesterday I talked about a possible pullback towards the $218, and man, didn't that happen? Didn't we have the $218 met? As a matter of fact, we went to the $221, and I told you at that time we were currently down here. Okay, we were down here, and then we went a little bit higher, so this was like a trade off, nearly from there to there, an 8% increase of your money. So congratulations to everyone who actually took this trade. And I told you, you're going to find one resistance here. If you cross this, you're going to find the resistance there, but we never crossed this resistance. Now this resistance is coming back where you form right there, and we also have it's a very long resistance. Okay, it's the swing high right there. Do you see this? This used to be the swing high back in the days, which is $218. Do you see that? And at the moment it currently went up, hit its head right there. You can see there's an influence here, there's an influence right there, there's an influence right here, there's few influence right there, and again another influence right here. So it seems like it's gonna pause here, and there's a possibility of it to go down actually. Okay, now going down is not a bad thing. Going down is, I talked about this yesterday, it's just an opportunity for you to actually sell here and buy back, and for a lower prices maybe buy back here. So personally, I'm not going to trade Solana. I'm not going to trade it, because unless we don't start to break this descending broadening wedge, which is a bullish pattern right there, and we do not retest to go back to $259 where we formed that descending broadening wedge, I'm not gonna have to take any trades, not buy, not sell, don't do anything. Yes, if I have to buy it, I'm gonna wait for it to come to dip a little bit towards the $170. Who knows, could we even come just to the 188 again, make a double bottom, which is the first bottom, second bottom, and from here business picks towards the north. Okay, I just wanted to visit south, then we're gonna sell it towards the north side. And I did notice something about Solana this time, and there's one more thing before I tell you about Elliot wave theory, because Solana respects Elliot wave theory. I'm just gonna tell you in a moment. At the moment, there's a potential bullish pattern that is about to play for Solana as well, and I'm gonna tell you this. The reason why I tell you this is because we want to make much more proper decisions. Now at the moment, this is a potentially your left shoulder, your head, and you're about to make a right shoulder, and that will be an inverse head and shoulders. If you break out of this inverse head and shoulders from the top there to the bottom right here, from wherever you're breaking out, that's going to take you nearly $250. Wait for the breakout, trade the breakout, and then we're going to talk about it. So for me, basically, I'm still going to remain to my own point right there. Maybe break out like this. It could come down a little bit and find support right there. This would be a nice entry at $218 once again. Where you sold, you can enter back. Okay, don't get FOMO. Don't FOMO if it goes to $236. Wait for it to come back down from where you sold it, and then you can re-enter, because now it's making a bullish continuation and it's looking good based on the charts as well. Okay, otherwise, if Bitcoin actually swipes towards the downside, is going to take it, and this would be the best entry in a very, very long time. Now let's talk about the Elliot wave theory, and I noticed Solana doing the Elliot wave theory for a very, very long time, and sorry, I'm just going to open up a much more cleaner Solana for you guys. Let's look at the Bybit chart right there. Okay, now this is the Bybit. We don't have any drawings, and I needed a clean version of Solana. I'm just going to dive into the daily time frame for this one to show you. Yeah, so I'm into the daily time frame right now. Let's zoom out of everything and let's have a small refresher back in the days and what was happening right over here. But this has doesn't have the whole information. I need something with the big information right there. Now there's a small thing I want to talk about here. Now the last time I did say that there's this Elliot wave theory that is playing out. Okay, this was your first, second, the third, the fourth, and now you're still in for the fifth, which can take you even nearly $1,000. You understand that? This was the Elliot wave theory that I was talking about, and within this big Elliot wave theory, do you understand this? There are small Elliot wave theory. Now, for example, if I consider the second to the third wave. And I'm gonna zoom in this one, and let's actually have fun with the Elliott wave theory. And it seems like it has been an amazing experience. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is there's a Elliott wave theory within an Elliott wave theory. You can see this was the first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, and the fifth one, completing a one whole wave, and inside it you have a smaller wave. Do you understand that? And from there you made the ABC correction. Normally it is followed by ABC correction, which is the A, the B right there, then this was the C. Okay, run a little bit deeper down there. Now, are we looking for the same, pattern playing out right now? It could be. Let's see. There was a small Elliott wave theory right there. So I'm gonna click on the patterns right here, go back to the Elliott wave theory, and I do think it was doing something back in the days, like this was your first wave, second wave, the third wave, fourth wave, and then you have the fifth wave right there. And then this is normally followed by the ABC correction from the A, like this one, A, B, and then you had the C correction right there. Now we're moving sideways, and we're actually looking to kind of try to make another impulse wave theory. Do you understand that? Right now it's not making any another impulse wave theory, but on a larger time frame, the Elliott wave theory is still there, and this is going from the fourth wave all the way nearly the fifth wave right here, until we do not enter the massive bear market for the ABC correction, which could be huge ABC correction, taking you all the way down from 88. Now let's say we do go to $1,000 or $700, which $700 is a safe price prediction by the end of the bull market. From there to there, that's going to be like an 88% drop if it actually does go for the bear market. And bear market are meant to be ugly, they're meant to be bad. Okay, I'm just going to remove all of these drawings, and this is the mission. Okay, this is the mission. I have two drawings at the moment. Currently I'm going to show you the old one, which is the USDT pairing right here, and then I have the BUSD pairing right there. Now the USDT pairing shows for the smaller time frame, and for the higher time frame I'm using the BUSD to always keep you keep a refresher, that we are in an Elliott wave theory, and the fifth wave hasn't completed yet. To me, this is not over. This is not over until Bitcoin doesn't, actually complete its all assessments and its bull market. And by the end of the bull market for Bitcoin, I do think Solana is going to have that blow off top nearly the $1,700 region, unless we do not go back into the bear market. And that's it for today's update. I hope you enjoyed this one. I'm not going to trade. I'm going to sit a little bit on the sidelines and wait for a confirmation. If it's going to go up, I'm going to enter. If it's going to go down, that will be even much more better. Either way, I'm going to win. And look, if you actually took that trade yesterday when I told you it's going to pull back to $218, even right now it's going to $214, and it seems like it's trying to break that particular resistance, and it's failing this resistance right now. There's a huge resistance right now. So let's see what it does. It could actually be squeezed. You can lose that trend line right there, and you can go all the way down, dump to the 170 and buy huge, and then we can continue towards the north after visiting the south. And if you're a long-term trader, long-term holder, these things don't matter. Even if it goes down, it won't matter to you, because these are in the play. These prices are potentially in the cards. Maybe in the next month, maybe in the next 2 months, who knows? But it is going there, and it is a journey nonetheless. And I'm going to see you tomorrow with a new video update. I hope you enjoyed this one. Allah Hafiz.